Alright, so first for my gaming setup, let's get to my keyboard. It's a GK61, 60% mechanical keyboard. It costs about $70 to $80. And I will leave all these equipments link in the description so you guys can get it if you want. And this is my Razer Viper Mini mouse. It costs about like $40 or $30. And there's the monitor. I don't exactly know what monitor this is, but it's an AOC 60Hz monitor. And I got the Razer Kraken headset Tournament Edition. It costs about like $60 or $80. And it comes with a mic as well. But I have a microphone, HyperX Quadcast. It costs about like $140, I think. Yeah, $140 right now. And I got my DualShock PS4 controller for my PS4. And I got the fan to stay cool and stuff. The LED lights, my door and stuff too. And this is my PS4 Pro. This is the thing that I play on. And I got an extra controller and some games here and stuff. And then we got my PC. I don't play Fortnite on it because it runs like 30 FPS, but I edit videos on that, which is pretty cool. And this is my chair. It's pretty simple. Oh yeah, I also forgot to mention my mouse pad. I'll try to find the mouse pad and link it in the description, but if I can't find it, yeah, you just can't buy it. And this is my water to stay hydrated. And guys, this is my bed where I sleep. Yeah, obviously. And this is my sofa. We got my MacBook laptop for school and stuff. We got my earbuds. We got the big Supreme backpack. Pretty cool. I just got it for my birthday. And we got an extra backpack here. And this is thing that I use for my hand cam videos. I put my phone here and record it. And yeah. My room's pretty small, guys. So for my collection, we got my little, I forgot the name. But yeah, we got that. And we got Call of Team Leader. It's from like 3 years ago. And let's get to my closet, guys. So we got my closet here. It's just pretty simple, nothing else. Boxes on top. We got my Drew hoodie. Let's go, baby. We got the off-white. I'm not trying to flex, but you know, it's okay. Oh, my PS4. You guys hear this? It's a whole airplane in here, so be careful. Alright, peace out. Yo, welcome back to another gaming setup slash room tour video. This is actually an updated gaming setup slash room tour because as you guys can see, I got a new desk and an extra monitor for my PC. So it's easier for me to edit videos and play PC games. But unfortunately, I cannot play Fortnite on there because I run 30 FPS on this PC for Fortnite. So yeah. And this monitor is connected to my PS4 Pro where I play Fortnite. And now let's get into my gaming setup. So this is my keyboard, GK61, 60% mechanical keyboard. And this is my gaming mouse, Razer Viper Mini. And this is my headset. It's a Razer Kraken Tournament Edition headset. And this is my microphone. It's a HyperX Quadcast. These are both Samsung 60Hz monitors. And what does it say here? Oh, use code SmurXz. Yeah, you guys have to use code SmurXz or else nothing. But just use code SmurXz, guys. And this is my Red Dragon keyboard. I'm not sure the exact name of this keyboard, but I'll figure it out and leave it on the screen right here. And this is my mouse, Logitech G502 Hero. And I forgot to mention my mouse pad. I'm not sure the exact name of it, but you guys can maybe search this company up. I'm not sure. This is my PS4 Pro where I play Fortnite. And this is my controller. These are my LED lights on the back of my monitor and on the side of the door. And this is my fan to keep me fresh and cool. And this is my water to stay hydrated. This is my chair where I edit my videos and play games. This is my bed. This is my couch. Yo, welcome back to another gaming setup video. This is actually my updated gaming setup video because as you guys can see, I got a PS5 and a new monitor. So yeah, that's cool. And this monitor is for my PS5, obviously. It's an Asus VG27BQ 27-inch 4K monitor. And if you guys didn't know, this monitor is for my PC. If you guys are wondering why I don't play on PC, this PC is only for editing my videos and it only runs 30 FPS for Fortnite. Oh, and use code SmurXz, guys, please. It will help me so much. Just use code SmurXz in the item shop when you buy something. This is my gaming keyboard. It's a 60% keyboard, GK61 Gathering optical yellow switches. I got custom keycaps for this, you know, pretty cool. This is my Razer Huntsman Mini gaming mouse. It's really cheap and it's really small. And this is also my gaming headset. It's a Razer Kraken Tournament Edition headset. It's pretty comfortable. And this is also my microphone. It's a HyperX Quadcast. Really good mic. And obviously this is my PS5. It looks really cool, very well designed, and yeah, it's really good. This is my controller. Oh yeah, if you guys didn't know, I connect my microphone on the front of my PS5 like this right here. And then I connect my keyboard and mouse on the back of the PS5 right here. Oh yeah, and also my mouse pad. I'm not sure how to pronounce this, but you guys can search this up. And this is also my LED lights. I put it around the table. Looks pretty cool. It has remote control and stuff. Turn it off, turn it on. And I have it on the side of my door like this. And then on the back of the monitors. And this is my keyboard for my PC. It's a Red Dragon K552. And this is my Logitech G502 Hero mouse. And this is my holy water. This gets me cracked at Fortnite, you know. This is a really comfy chair. I've had this for years. It's really comfy. It's like an office chair, but it's really comfortable. And this is my bed. Nothing too fancy, you know, just a regular bed. My couch over here, and my backpack. Oh yeah, and this is what I use for my hand cam videos, guys. I should get a new one, but yeah, this is what I use for now. Yeah. Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another gaming setup video. So as you guys can see, I got a new keyboard and a new mouse pad. So I'll be going over those things and other stuff as well. So first, let's get to my monitors. So this is my monitor for my PS5. It's an Asus VG27BQ 165Hz 27-inch monitor. And this monitor is for my PC. Also, I use my PC for editing my videos, guys. I literally run 30 FPS for Fortnite on this PC. So don't think that I play on PC. I literally have a PS5 over here. And use code SmurXz, by the way. This is a 60Hz Samsung monitor. Okay, now we'll be going over my keyboards. So I recently got this. It's a SteelSeries Apex Pro TKO, guys. Literally the best keyboard right now. Literally every pros are using this keyboard right now, guys. And this is my GK61. This is my old keyboard. I miss this keyboard so much, but I just had to let you go, man. And now we'll be going over my mouses. Alright, so this mouse is what I play Fortnite on. It's a Razer Viper Mini. It's really small. I recommend this for people that have small hands, just like me. And this mouse is for my PC. It's a Logitech G502 Hero. Alright, so this is my PS5, guys. Like, yeah, my PS5. You guys can see it right there. And this is my controller. And this is my microphone. It's a HyperX Quadcast microphone. Oh yeah, and this is my mouse pad. It's really dope, guys. You guys should get this. It looks really cool. And also, guys, I'll leave all these things in the link in the description. So make sure to go check that if you want to buy anything. And yeah, these are the LED lights right now. On the back of the monitors. Around the table over here. As you guys can see. Oh, I also forgot. My holy water, bro. My holy water. Guys, you need this. Okay, what is that? Okay, but you need this, guys. Stay hydrated while you guys are gaming. You guys definitely need this to be cracked at Fortnite. So yeah.
What?
And also, a lot of people think I'm good at Fortnite because I have a good gaming chair. But I just have a normal office chair. It's very comfortable. And yeah, I don't have a gaming chair. So I'm just cracked at Fortnite, you know? I'm just cracked naturally.
Boy, if you don't get...
So yeah, that was my settings. So yeah, that was my setup video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like and subscribe and comment other video ideas, you know? Yeah, and peace out.